How to enable or disable the emoji key in Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, tap on Gboard settings. Then tap on preferences. In here, tap on emoji key, tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now if I turn it off and if I bring up the keyboard, you can see this emoji key here will be removed. So here if I switch it off, it will remove the emoji key, and if I turn on emoji key, it will bring it right back. If you switch it off, you still can access your emoji by touch and hold on this comma icon, and this will allow you to switch over to emoji key, but you need to press and hold on that instead of a simple tap. If you want easy access to emoji keys or emoji stickers, then just simply turn on emoji key and you can tap on it. This will allow you to quickly access your emoji stickers. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.